what's up everyone? Welcome to the 4th of July special. I didn't know what to do today, but I figured what do people usually do on 4th of July? And it's usually cookout, right? But I'm Mexican, so I can't just do like burgers and hot dogs, so we gonna make a fucking carne asada. I don't know how to cook for shit, so this is gonna be pretty fun. And what's the one thing everyone always fucking brings?
Cocaine.
Fireworks.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean that works too.
Yeah, no, we need fireworks though.
We need fireworks. They're illegal as shit around here, so that's why we're gonna do it. All right, so we're at the fireworks store. I don't even know what to fucking do. We need to get some big ass shit, bro. Dude, you ever watch Jackass?
Yeah.
Dude, we should light this.
Yeah.
We should let it fucking go in your ass.
What? Okay, that.
Like Steve-O. Should we check what it does?
Yeah, let's check.
I don't know, but this bitch is 150.
Oh, that's kind of bad.
Alright, fuck it.
That's badass.
What do you think will happen if I light it right here? That's badass that he died, or you fucking idiot? Now we're talking. Focus. That one's coming out of your channel. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like. That way I can get more money. So next year I'll come and sell this bitch out. We'll see you right now at the little meat market to get the shit for the cookout. All right, we came to buy the fucking meat.
Yeah.
We got the carne. We need the onion. We need tortillas. Alright, hold on, let me check.
Tortillas.
We need drinks and cocaine.
Hey, anything?
Is this cultural appropriation that this black guy is coming to our carne asada? If it is, leave it in the comment. Imagine. The Pinterest.
Nigga didn't want me can. Nigga didn't want me can him after I called him a racist. He's
trying to take some weight off.
Now they're gonna think I'm actually racist.
I didn't invite a black guy to my carne asada to work. I invite you to enjoy the shitty food I'm about to cook.
Shitty food.
I don't know how to cook. I've never cooked anything, so welcome to my fucking carne asada. Alright, so we're gonna get this cookout started. This carne asada. Starting with some fucking sausage.
You're retarded.
It is crazy.
Fucking idiot, why would you let me do that?
Are you recording when I dropped it? Oh.
I wanted to save it for my camera. I mean, my debut. I wanted to save my debut
first time?
for grilling on camera. I'm a fucking idiot.
I just hit that fucking
I'm
angle.
a fucking moron, but I learned everything fast as fuck, boy. Alright, first taste test of my food.
Don't be hot, but don't be a bitch. Don't be a bitch.
Yeah, it's gonna be hot as shit.
It's like that one Russian nigga on TikTok.
Let's put it in the ice. Alright, my first time trying my own cooking. Angel's fajita. This is fucking hot as shit.
You should got a tortilla to go with that. Oh, but these we're gonna want to cook when it's a little hotter too.
Holy fuck.
W meats.
Oh, fucking hot fuck. That's good as shit. I'd say I'm probably well renowned. Bro, these kind of got cooked up.
Yeah.
Take that shit on.
Damn.
Put them on here.
Alright, so right now I'm about to invite a white guy to my carne asada because we don't discriminate here. I invite all colors. You got, you know, my black friend, trying to get my white friend. I'm not racist.
Gay cameraman.
I'm not.
Alright, little update. We've been doing pretty good on the fucking grill. As you can see, we got some fajita going, some onions. I gotta put the tortillas. But overall, the shit's pretty good, right? Rate it. What do you think out of 10? Realistically, though. Not because I'm your boss. Imagine.
It's
not like the best fajita I've ever had, but I feel like
for some niggas that's just off the
for a fucking idiot that looks like me, I've never touched a grill in my life. That was like at least a good 9, bro.
Yeah, it's fucking lit. I fucked with it.
Alright, so like I said, I don't discriminate against any color. So we got my white friend coming to the carne asada. This is the first carne asada in history to have this epic mashup. We just ended racism. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment. because this is never gonna happen again.
Quality.
Hey, yeah, this is history. This is history right now that I'm making, and it's me out of everyone. Like, what the fuck?
I want some chips.
Ooh. You gotta hit that hoe. Bro, we fucking forgot the cilantro, bro. We're retarded as fuck.
Are you ready, B? Let's see how.
Alright, first bite right here. Damn, that was a crispy ass tortilla. What the fuck?
No, these are crispy. No, these are crispy, man. They're almost breaking in half. Let me get a lime.
It's right there.
We all just go home with food poisoning.
That how tough? What you rate it?
8.5 out of 10.
Right.
Defo fire.
Am I invited to the barbecue?
For sure.
Hey.
Niggas know what's good.
All right, now we got the white guy reaction.
I got you.
Bro said no salsa. Fuck that.
He's terrified.
Too spicy.
Yeah, get the flies out of here.
That how it was seasoned, so it might be spicy.
Yeah,
Imagine.
we did pre-season.
No, bro. In about a minute, I'm gonna start crying, but this whole good.
That how good? The Perico.
What even is this?
Coke.
Is this seasoning?
So we're done cooking. Here's the food. That should look good. Hey, yeah, look good. Alright, I'm gonna make a taco so I can rate it. Let's see how good this food is. Get the fuck out. You can see good?
Mm-hmm.
Where's the salsa? Can you
Over here.
put it down?
Give me a drink shot.
I'll be. You gotta get the lime.
Oh my god, bro.
There's some Mexican ass shit right here. It's cause I was like, bro, I can't really fucking. Damn, they found out we're illegal. They're on the way. They're on the way. I didn't want to do like burgers and hot dogs cause like I'm Mexican, so I was like, fuck that. Carne Asada. Alright, first bite.
Big reveal.
That nigga Jalen said, we like part about surface swim. He was like, okay, girl, have fun then. Hold the fuck up. No! No one told me that my head was exposed, which really isn't the problem, but
Holy shit. That's actually not ass. I thought it was gonna be shit. Anyways, this was fucking good as fuck for my first time ever cooking. That was my carne asada. I guess the next part of the video is gonna be launching fireworks. So I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the food, and I'll see y'all when we're over there. Peace. Crazy ass cut, cause like literally it was like the carne asada, and now I'm in like a fucking battlefield. But yeah, I'm about to light my fireworks, cause they got nothing but pussy ass fireworks here. I'm gonna show them how to do it. Yeah. This one says not to hold it, so I'm gonna hold it. Oh shit! And I'll fucking blow up my cameraman's car. Did the motherfucker say the camera no? 100 likes right now. Yeah.
doing some alchemist. Hey, show them how it's up.
All right, you ready?
Yeah. Make sure both of you. All right. Firework, nigga.
Huh?
Hit me in the firework. I got hit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You lying, nigga. You were born with that.
That was burned.
What the fuck?
Damn, nigga, look like a triple fucking.
Good shit.
Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you in this video. Leave a like, subscribe if you liked it. More. And yeah, that was fucking crazy. It was probably the best 4th of July I've ever had. And next year I'll do it bigger. I'll spend like 10,000 if I fucking save up. And yeah, anyways, stay tuned for the next video next week. Bye.